ATV. Let the wild run free.
Alright, yo, what's up guys? It's a beautiful evening. I'm gonna rip around this little ridge along the highway here for just a minute. I got some other footage today earlier that I'll probably add to this video at the end of this rip here, but it's been a little bit tough today. I went up to Loveland Pass and it was supposed to be nice up there, I thought, according to the weather, but when I got up there it was like 25-30 mile an hour winds. I was gonna do some big mountain dives out there, but of course the winds, can't really do them with that. I mean, this thing can handle some wind, but I ain't gonna go push it out in 30 mile an hour gusts. So we'll just rip around this little ridge right here, and then I did some smaller mountain dives earlier, and then we'll end with that. So all right, let me get the Insta360 recording here. Okay, that's recording now. And see what we got here. Start recording on the drone or on the 04 air unit. So this is a nice little place to rip. I've ripped here before with the Avata 2. A couple of videos on that. They're in the upper right corner there if you want to check them out. So let's go ahead and arm this thing. Play around. It's perfectly calm right now. That's why I want to get some ripping. It's supposed to snow tonight and then tomorrow. So here we go. Just nice ridgeline playtime. Little inverted S here. Nice little 75-80 miles an hour, whatever that got up to. Times up here. Try to do a little orbiting, something like that, I guess. I've seen some birds in the area, so I want to steer clear of those. Hopefully those steer clear of me. And that's about the end of her. Like some magpies down in there. little hole up here. Try to get a little hover here going on. Look at there. Sun went under the clouds, so now I got the ND16 on my drone on the Ultra Air unit, and then I got the ND32 set on the Insta360. I ordered a set of ND16s for the Insta360. It should be here, I think tomorrow actually is when it's supposed to be delivered, so that'll be better for some evening flights. Got one more pass through here. Bring her in. These calm conditions are so nice. I know I don't get them all the time. None of us do, but definitely make for some good practice when we do get them. Alright, see if we can hover it again. Go, perfect. All right, well, not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, I'll roll some clips from the dives that I got with this earlier, and I even did some Avata 2 stuff because I'm not going to abandon that guy. He's still good. He's still fun. I want to get up into the high country when there's no wind going on and do some big dives, but that time will come soon enough. All right, thanks guys. Fly high, fly low, fly safe. Peace.